This is just a testament to saying you don't need a grand announcement. You don't need a grand plan. You don't even need to know exactly how you're going to do it. I woke up and I had this energy that I wanted to check something off my bucket list. So I said, you know what? I've been trying to do a full marathon for probably 2 years now. And I said, you know what? Next 6 months, I'm going to get it done. End of story. No excuses. So this is my announcement. This is my accountability post that I am going to be running a full marathon in the next 6 months. I want you to follow my journey. Come with me. We're going to do a full marathon. Not together, but if you want, you can join. You know? Check the links. Stay updated. Let's go.